In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for journaling, a step-by-step guide. Let's start by setting your journaling session on the right track. At the top of your chat window, use the Model Selection dropdown to choose the mode that fits your intention. Pick the instant tier when you want rapid, structured logging. It's great for quick evening brain dumps, fast gratitude lists, neatly formatted habit tracker notes, or simple mood descriptors. If you're feeling reflective and want deeper insight, switch to the thinking tier. This mode engages more thorough reasoning, so it's ideal for unpacking complex emotions, tracing recurring patterns, weighing decisions, or exploring vivid dreams. You can switch tiers anytime. The key is to match the pace of the tool to your goal: speed for capture, depth for clarity. Next, kick off your mornings with a focused runway instead of a blank page. Paste this prompt to generate fresh, targeted questions that avoid repetitive entries. Act as a compassionate personal development coach, mindfulness guide, and narrative journal therapist. I want to clear my mind and set my focus for the day. Provide 3 highly creative, non-cliche morning journal prompts that challenge me to explore my immediate priorities, identify potential emotional roadblocks for the day, and connect with my current energy level. Keep the questions open-ended and grounded in modern positive psychology. When you get your 3 prompts, choose the one that resonates most and write freely. Aim for clarity over perfection, and let the questions guide you toward a specific intention for the day. When tough emotions surface, use the unsent letter format to release pressure without escalating conflict. Paste this prompt. Act as a neutral psychological framework and emotional processing assistant. I need to write an unsent letter to safely process my raw feelings regarding briefly described situation, e.g., as a frustrating miscommunication with a peer. I will paste my unedited brain dump text below. Analyze the underlying emotional themes, point out where I'm displaying specific cognitive distortions, like catastrophizing or mind reading, and give me 3 reflective questions to help me see this situation with absolute clarity, objectivity, and calm self-awareness. Here's my text. Insert your raw thoughts vent here. Let the feedback help you replace rumination with reflection. Finally, turn scattered entries into actionable growth with a weekly synthesis. Gather short summaries of your last 7 days and act as an objective behavioral analyst and life alignment strategist. I will paste my short journal entry summaries from the past 7 days below. Analyze the collective text for patterns. Identify my primary recurring emotional wins. Highlight any repeated triggers or negative habit loops that slow down my productivity, and provide 2 actionable adjustments or behavioral tracking goals I can implement next week to optimize my mental wellness and workflow alignment. Here are my summaries. Insert your week's journal notes/summaries here. Save the takeaways and revisit them next week. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.